Stoneware's durability, versatility, and consistency make it a must-have for your kitchen. Let's talk about the workhorse pieces every kitchen needs, our unglazed stoneware. If you don't have stoneware, this is where you want to start. We've upgraded this collection with our new Stone Fusion material to get even better results, make it even more versatile, and stronger than ever before. When fused in the firing process, this special formulation gives you stoneware that's strong enough to be preheated, used with higher oven temperatures, and can go in the dishwasher. Our popular bar pan and pizza stone are part of this collection. Homemade and store-bought pizza are both amazingly good on stoneware. When you preheat the stones, you get even lighter, crispier pizza crusts. And the pizza stone is designed with a back lip, so food doesn't slide off when you take the stone in and out of the oven or when you use a pizza peel. The handles make it easier to put the pans in and out of the oven. You can also make excellent sheet pan dinners, roasted veggies, and cookie bars with the bar pans. Put them under the broiler for toasting foods or finishing a dish with melted cheese. And check out this unique pattern on the bottom. For people who already have stoneware, this will help distinguish these updated pieces as ones that are safe to preheat, use under the broiler, and put in the dishwasher. No matter what type of stoneware you choose, you can be sure you'll get amazing results.